Viewers, we continue to track the tragic news that is coming in from North Bengal, where 5 people have lost their lives after a passenger train collided with a goods train in Darjeeling district of West Bengal. We also have an eyewitness account coming in. Listen in.
खबर आया कि हमारे यहाँ 2 किलोमीटर अंदर एक ट्रेन दुर्घटना हुई है। तो हम लोग जो है मतलब इसको तो लाइव नहीं देखा, हम लोग सुना, फिर जाकर मतलब जब हम लोग को पता चला फिर हम लोग यहाँ स्पॉट आके अभी देख रहे हैं। ये तो जो है बहुत, क्या देख रहे हैं आप, क्या नजर यहाँ तो मतलब जो है एक ट्रेन शायद खड़ी हुई थी और एक ट्रेन आगे जो है इनसे टकरा गई शायद।
एक ही लाइन पे एक ही पटरी पे था?
जी हाँ, एक ही पटरी पे शायद एक ट्रेन खड़ी थी या जा रही थी, शायद स्लो थी, और मतलब एक ट्रेन आ रही थी, आके जो है मतलब ऐसी दुर्घटना हुई है शायद।
तो कितने लोगों की मौत हुई है, कुछ खबर आपको मिला है?
वो तो पता नहीं, मतलब 1-2 जो है डेड बॉडी मैंने अभी देखा है जो है। हाँ,
लोकोमोटिव जो है वो भी बॉडी अटका हुआ है अभी भी?
हाँ, वहाँ एक लोको पायलट जो है वहाँ तो अभी अटकी हुई है वहाँ पे।
अच्छा जी, तो अभी क्या अभी रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट हुआ है?
जी, अभी हम लोग देख रहे हैं, मतलब उतने सारे अभी नहीं है। यहाँ जो लोकल पब्लिक है ना, यहाँ का जो लोकल पब्लिक है बहुत हेल्प की है।
स्थिति अभी थोड़ा गंभीर है। ये आप देख रहे हैं कंचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस है, ये पीछे यहाँ पे खड़ा था और पीछे से एक मालगाड़ी आके उसको ठोक दिया। 3 बॉगी अभी तक डिटेल्ड हुआ है, 5 फैटलिटी हुआ है, कैजुअलिटी हुआ है 5। अभी तक हम रेस्क्यू कर लिया है। और मालगाड़ी का जो आगे का इंजन है वहाँ पे गैस कटर लगेगा, आरपीएफ भी आ गए है, हम लोग लोकल पीएस से आ गए। ठीक है,
डेथ कैजुअलिटी कितनी हुई है?
अभी तक जो हिसाब है 5 हुआ है। ठीक है,
और कितने लोगों की मौत हुई है?
5 का मौत हुआ है अभी तक। ठीक है,
इंजर्ड हुआ है?
इंजर्ड अभी तक 25 to 30 नियरली, बट द इंजरीज आर नॉट फैटल।
We have Saurabh joining us on more details. Saurabh, if you can give our viewers a lowdown of what exactly happened.
Well, this was the Kanchenjunga Express that had just left the New Jalpaiguri station, headed towards Sialdah, its destination, which was scheduled to reach sometime this evening. After leaving the New Jalpaiguri station, it was at Rangapani station when the goods train hit the Kanchenjunga Express from behind. Now, what really seems to have been a lifesaver in this case, and it could have been far more worse, the situation, was the presence of a goods sort of carriage. You know, when passenger trains travel, they have a goods carriage sometimes attached at the end of the train. So the engine came and hit the goods carriage first, which was part of the rear of the train, and then of course there were other bogies also damaged, and that is the result of which is of course these 5 casualties which we know so far, and 25 injuries that have been confirmed by the police. Now, there are a couple of things to note here. One is, of course, this is a very important and strategic rail route. This is what we know as the Chicken's Neck corridor or the Siliguri corridor, and all rail and road traffic to Northeast India and to North Bengal pass through this narrow corridor, which is sandwiched between Nepal on one side and Bangladesh on the other. And of course, this is a very strategic corridor, like I mentioned. It has taken place exactly in Rangapani station, which is located in the Phansideva area of Darjeeling district of West Bengal. Apart from this, the other thing that also needs to be noted is this: the Kanchenjunga Express, while it's a very important train, it was still to be upgraded to an LHB rake. Now, LHB rakes are modern rakes, and they are far more safer when an accident like this occurs, because the tendency in the ICF rake is that once there is a collision, as a result of the impact of the collision, these coaches climb atop one another, and that increases chances of injuries and casualties. In this case, this was an ICF coach, which is an older version of the railway trains that are in service in India, not the modern LHB or the very recently developed Vande Bharat platform. These are newer trains, but this one is an old train, an old rake rather, of a very popular train that was hit. And we know now that at least 5 people have died and 25 people have been injured. There are some visuals that have come in of bodies lying at the spot, and those are probably the casualties that we are reporting as of now.